Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice in a video using the CapCut voice effect. So here I have this video that I want to change the voice. So this is the normal voice. Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So this is my voice, and if you want to change the voice by using the CapCut voice effect, just click on the video and swipe through the menu at the bottom. And on the voice changer feature, so here you can choose between the voice title and voice character. So I suggest you to use the voice character. Here let's try to use the bestie. Just wait. So this is the result for the bestie voice effect.
Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel.
You can see I sound like a different person now, different character. So that's the first one, and let's try the elf sound.
Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel.
Okay, so here you can also adjust the effect by clicking on the voice effect. Here you can adjust the pitch and timbre. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.